Hey y'all, man, it's Gaminati Dev, and we got the unboxing of the 14 Pro Max Deep Fusion. Let's get it on. Really just looking at it from the box, what you think the difference is? Like, you just looking at it, bro.
It looks like a more sleek design, you know what I'm saying? A more sleek design.
Let's man, we gotta get into it. So you already know Apple packaging, same as normal. This is gonna be like our first review video of a phone on Gaminati. Oh my. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful color. And if you like, oh man, it is cheap. I don't know. Is it the lighting, or is this really? Let's compare it to the previous generation. So we got the 12 Pro Max and 13 Pro Max. But as you can see, like, we got the 12 Pro Max, 13 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max. That purple, man, that purple is a beauty. You gotta have that little pop, Let's see it turn on, see how different it works. You can see a little bit of the cutout right there, you can see it. Not the notch, you can see a little bit of the cutout. And it's like, you got an upgrade on the screen. The OLED display got an upgrade. It's gonna be way better. And already seeing it, just wow, this is crazy. So we're gonna get this set up, and then we're gonna come back at y'all. So we've been playing with the 14 Pro Max. Look at that big old smudge I put on the back. We've been playing with it with the dynamic island and everything, and you know, I like it. You know, it got the dynamic island at the top, playing the music. It's very flashy, and it works for Face ID. It's so crazy. Like, this update is wonderful. I like this phone, and it goes with the 2,000 nits. That is bright. That is bright. Already on the 13 Pro Max, which is bright, but this is insanely bright. You can tell the difference for sure. You can tell. And the camera bump is so large compared to the 13 Pro Max. We're definitely gonna have to try it out, see what the new modes are. With this new time coming around, they have like an action mode, which is like for running. And then you got 4K in cinematic mode. And they also have a autofocus front camera. Autofocus. It's really wild. This looks so clean. And it just focuses on you, like, on this one, see? You gotta tap on me, get a focus. But this one, it just focuses automatically, you know? Would I say this is more like a upgrade from a 13 Pro Max? Yes, just because you're getting new screen, new camera, dynamic island. You're getting a new phone. Same body, literally same body, like, we could take my 13 case, 13. We could take that. We could take that. Well, dang. Well, I don't have it. A 14 case. So you could take a 14 and put a 13 in there. Literally. It's just that bump on the back is so massive. I feel like we say this every year, you know? Like with the 12 Pro Max, you'd be like, the 13 Pro Max is so much bigger. But now it's the 14 Pro Max. And like this color, top tier color, top tier. I can honestly say that this is an upgrade, and Gaminati will give it a stamp of a green. Definitely should upgrade if you're like a normal 13 buyer or a 12 and below. Upgrade. If you got like a Pro Max or a Pro, you can upgrade and get the features, but you don't have to. You don't have to upgrade. It's still this phone, this 13 Pro Max is still a great phone. Like it's like one of the greatest phones. This one is only better. So it's really just take it as you want. And that'll be Gaminati's review of the 14 Pro Max, man.